Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore file upload progress UI in mobile apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore file upload progress UI in mobile apps, begin by assessing the existing user interface. Identify the areas of the app that currently display file upload progress. Ensure that you have the latest design guidelines from your platform. Next, establish the specific requirements for the progress indicator. Decide whether you want a simple progress bar or a more detailed UI component. Begin by prototyping the new UI element using design tools like Figma or Sketch. Ensure that the design is user-friendly and visually appealing. Once the design is finalized, proceed to the development phase. Select the programming language and framework used for your mobile app. For Android apps, you might use Kotlin or Java, while Swift is ideal for iOS apps. Integrate the progress bar component into your app's layout file. Next, set up the underlying logic to track file uploads. Implement a method to start the file upload process. During the upload, use callbacks or listeners to update the progress indicator. Ensure that you update the UI on the main thread to maintain responsiveness. Consider adding an option to cancel the upload. Handle various states of the upload, such as pause and resume. Test the functionality to ensure that the progress UI updates correctly. Use debugging tools to monitor the file upload process in real time. Make adjustments as necessary based on the results of your tests. Review the entire user experience to ensure it meets design standards. After finalizing everything, perform usability testing with real users. Gather feedback to identify any potential improvements. Implement any necessary changes based on user feedback. Once satisfied, prepare for deployment to the App Store. Ensure that you have documentation to support future updates. Finally, monitor user reviews and feedback post-launch for further enhancements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.